Good day, guys. I'm Giancarlo Encano, and today I will talk about the verbal and non-verbal communication and why this true communication is important in multicultural setting. So, first is verbal communication. Verbal communication is using words, spoken or written to share our thoughts and ideas. So, non-verbal communication is sending a message without using any words like through our body, face, tone, and space around us. And next is the elements of verbal and non-verbal. The elements of verbal is volume, pitch, and let me call this the tone of voice and vocabulary. Next element is non-verbal. We have facial expression, hand gestures, posture, and let me go this eye contact. So let's move, and that's all. Let's move to the main function of this the main function of verbal and non-verbal. So the main function of verbal communication that shares information clearly, help us to explain or convince someone, help us to express our thoughts, ideas, and opinion. And next is the main function of non-verbal communication. We have showing emotions, um, regulates the flow of conversation, and last is the showing respect. So is the next is the example of trust full to one. And the two example is eye contact and gestures. So the eye contact, when you eye to eye contact in another person, it shows is respectful. But and in some Asian cultures, when you eye contact, it is when you eye contact in elder, it is called disrespect. And gestures is when you like thumbs up and thumbs down, and when you thumbs up is nice or good job, and when you thumbs down is nice try. And when you but in another country for the what we call this the Middle East countries, when you thumbs up is called rude based on my research. And next is the how works verbal and non-verbal communication. So verbal and non-verbal communication always work together. When your words, tone, and face match it to understand you better. And when they don't match it, it's all confused. But this happens more often in multicultural settings because the meanings or language is different. So that's why we should watch both and asking question instead of assuming. So lastly, overall, your communication, especially the across cultures, isn't just about hearing the words. It is just the understand the whole person and what you call this or read the person. And that's all. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching.